I want to take you through how to use GitHub very quickly, very simply, and in the end I want to show you how to take a repository from somebody else, fork it as your own, make changes to it, and then ask the original owner to please pull those changes back into the original repository. So this involves several steps. The steps are listed here. You first need to create an account, and I'm just going to actually log out first and then log back in again. So I'm going to log into GitHub, sign in using my own account, and then go to a repository which is called SmileyCoin. This has several associated repositories. There's one for the actual core wallet, and we're going to ask it, please give me a copy of this. So in other words, fork this, and we're going to do that by clicking on the fork button in the right place. Now it will say here, I've already forked it, and if we ask for it again, that doesn't change anything. So go back to our own repositories. So here's the one we have, SmileyCoin, and we can go in here, we can work here. But now what we want to do is we want to make some changes and test them, and to do that we're going to remove the folder I set up here, generate a new one, and then clone the folder which we have already set up into this new folder. So this is the clone command, and here it's making a copy of the entire SmileyCoin core wallet. So let's go into this and let's change something, and it can be pretty much anything. So let's try to let's see what is here. We have 140 different files we can change, and let's just pick any one of them. Let's pick this one. We have here a couple of comment lines which are just junk, and let's take this one, duplicate it, and change this fourth junk comment line to number 5. Now we have to tell Git rather, that this is going to be a part of what we monitor. So add this one to what we're monitoring, and now commit these changes. It will ask us to say something, so let's just say, well, let's not say nonsense, let's say test change number 5 or something. And now let's do again git commit test 5, right and quit, there we go. So committer, this is my committer, they know who I am, so this has been committed now. And now what we can do is we can push this back into GitHub. So we changed it actually in total in a few places, but just now we changed it in one place. So we can go now back into GitHub, check out our repositories, look at SmileyCoin, and we can view the recent changes. They should all be here. And if we go into main, in SRC, we should actually find the changes we just made. And now we make a pull request. So let's ask the owners of the master repository to please accept our pull request. And you'll see it's waiting here, and now that's done. So we have these pull requests. They have been put into the master repository, and we can view them there if we want to. And if we were the owner of the master repository, this is what we would now do. But from our point of view as general users and submitters of changes, we have submitted it to the reviewers, who then look through them and hopefully do not accept our changes in this case. But if we were programmers in the project, or volunteers, then we would expect the reviewers to pick up our pull requests, take a look at them, and decide whether they belong in the master repository.